Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to log in Opay without face verification. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in into your Opay without face verification, you can still get access by using your phone number or email and password. So if you have already set up a PIN, you can use that as well. So if you encounter any issues, you can simply explore options like resetting your password or contacting your Opay support for assistance. So simply log in with your credentials, and once you have done this, if you have forgotten your password, use the forgot password option to login screen. Simply follow the prompts to reset your password via your email or SMS. It is not necessarily needed that you need to get logged in into your Opay with your face verification. There are other means to do so as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more further interesting videos.